Hey guys, I'm just gonna say really quickly before the video, like before I start talking and everything, a little bit a volume warning in some parts. I sometimes blow out your eardrums, and an ASMR thing. If you don't like ASMR, there's like a tiny bit of ASMR, but I usually say before and then right at the very end there's some. Hello peeps. I forgot my intro for a second. Hey peeps. I'm basically just doing a speed edit in this video. I didn't really know what else to do, and I've never made a speed edit before, and it looks like kind of cool because I always watch them all the time, and I'm like, hey, this is kind of cool. So just like let me know if you guys want a tutorial or anything. I used to do like a bunch of different type of edits, like a bunch, but now I'm more towards velocity, but I still do like all the other cool little edits. I tried making a Roblox video, but my sound wasn't working correctly and I got real upset with it. So I just scrapped that, deleted the video. I was like, okay, I'm so done with this right now. Like iMovie is being so stupid, and so I just like scrapped that. And I'm like, okay, what am I gonna do? So I was just like, you know what? Speed edit. Boom. It took me like, I don't even know how long. Like a couple weeks to figure out an idea because I didn't know what to do. I'm gonna be doing like edits, gaming, Roblox edits, like Stranger Things edits, anime edits, like all of those type of things, everything like that. I'm probably gonna make this a premiere. So like, hi everyone who is in the premiere if I make this a premiere. I don't know what I'm gonna do. This video was an hour long when I was editing it. It took me an hour to edit this video. An hour. It's so, gosh. Should I do ASMR? Okay, I'm done. I'm sorry. And I had to speed it up twice. Like I had to put it in iMovie once, and then I had to go over it again and then speed it up again. It was very annoying. So like my poor storage, I'm so glad I did it on my tablet and not my phone, because my phone like literally has like 3 gigabytes left on it, and that's it. That's the end of it then. And my tablet has like 126 or something like that. My phone only has like 63 or whatever the top is for that. So I have a little bit more storage, and I have like 118 now, like 123 or something. I don't know. I have quite a bit more on my tablet than I do on my phone. So I might film long videos like this, like edits or like Roblox. Well, I have Roblox on my phone, but I don't have any Robux or anything, so it's like kind of crappy. So I normally just go on my tablet anyways. So all long videos that you see that aren't like YouTube shorts or anything like that, those are all gonna be filmed on my tablet, because my tablet's such a good sport. You know, like I love my tablet, but I also hate it at the same time because it kind of sucks, like the battery life. Like when I was filming this video, my tablet was at like 60, and then at the end it was at like 20. So yeah, battery life kind of sucks, but it's fine, you know, we can get through it together, me and my lovely tablet. Don't mind the lawnmower in the background. We'll be posting the like results of like the edit afterwards on YouTube Shorts after like the premiere and stuff like that. So just be looking up for that. I will probably also link it in the description after I post it, so you can just find it if you're not there for the premiere or something and you don't hear this. I mean, you will hear this. I mean, I don't even know what I mean. I'm sorry for chatting up your ear. I just needed to say stuff, and I hope you enjoy the video. Enjoy the video. for saying like so much in this video. It's kind of a problem that I have and a habit I'm trying to get out of. But the QR codes that I show on the screen, like a while before, those are all okay to use. Those are all my QR codes. I made those. You don't have to give me credit. It's fine if you use them. I don't really care. And thank you for watching this video.